Hey friends, I thought I would do an up close video of how I painted my salt dough ornaments. So what I'm doing is just painting on a coat of Portobello. That is the Deco Art Americana Portobello. That's the shade. And then I'm drying that. And I did the back first, then I'm going to flip it over and I'm also going to paint the front, of course. And the other shade I use on the front is called Deep Burgundy. I'm going to use the Deep Burgundy on the star in the middle. So I'm just going to paint my little star here. And of course I was using my heat tool to dry it as well. And then I am going around the edge with a kind of a dry brushing technique and just brushing on some black paint. And then after that, I'm using my dark sealing wax and brushing some of that on and wiping a little bit of that off. And then I'm going to seal it with Mod Podge. Now I'm sealing the back, the sides, and the front. I'm just doing the whole thing with Mod Podge and drying with my heat tool. And now I'm doing the front. If you haven't made any of these, they are really fun to make. So I was using a skewer right there and getting a little bit of that extra Mod Podge out of there. Here is the salt dough recipe for you. I thought I would include it in here in case you want to pause the video and write it down or take a screenshot. So now I'm going to put a wire hanger on. Be careful when you do this part because you might scratch your paint, but if you do, don't worry about it, just touch up your paint. So after I fix my wire hanger on there, I tied some homespun on it, and that is it. It's all done. Thank you for watching.